beauties! Today's nail art is a glowing red flower with golden touches. Starting with a pearly white base, I'm applying a matte top coat to give us a soft creamy surface. Using red cat eye gel, I'm drawing one petal at a time. Before curing, I shape the glow with a magnet, then cure it and move to the next. Now I'm using metallic gold gel to outline each petal and add some shiny details. It instantly adds a luxurious touch. Just in the center, I'm adding a dot of top coat, placing some 3D gold decorations and curing. This makes the flower pop. Now I'm adding green magnetic gel leaves the same way, one by one, shaping the shine with a magnet and curing each. Using the same gold gel, I'm outlining the leaves and adding little gold touch around the flower to bring the whole look together. And lastly, I'm applying top coat just on the flower and leaves to keep that purpose matte. All done, a shiny flower with gold details. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment your favorite color.